Hi everyone. Today I'm here to introduce you to Lily and Leon's adorable kittens. Let's start with the oldest one. This sweet boy is Lester. He looks so calm in mom's hands, half asleep and cozy. Let's put him back with his mom so he can rest again. Next up, meet Zhivan, taller than Lester but a little lighter in weight. So technically, Lester is the older brother, but Zhivan is the tallest. At this point, we didn't know Zhivan was a boy yet, so my mom did a little test. And honestly, it was hilarious. Now, can you guess the next one? Boy or girl? If you said girl, you're right. This is Naqli, the only sister. Look how gently she's holding my mom's hand. They're about 10 days old here, eyes still closed, discovering the world for the first time. Her white little face and orange fur, and that tiny pink nose, just adorable. And finally, meet the youngest and smartest one, Emma. Yes, the name sounds girly, but he's actually a boy. He's always the first to drink milk. Always gets the best spot near mom. Even now, we had a hard time finding him, always hiding under Lily. Emma is so playful, he never wants to stay still. He keeps calling for his mom, meowing like, "Mom, where are you?" And Lily rushes over to lick and calm him down. Did you know mother cats lick their kittens' bellies to help them urinate until they're about a month old? It's both natural and essential for their health. And now, let's give some love to Mama Lily. She's been so caring and protective these days. Before her pregnancy, she used to sleep next to me every night. I know she misses it, but now she's a full-time mom. And finally, look at them sleeping. Isn't this the most peaceful thing you've seen today? It's pure calmness, the kind that heals the soul.